Our fields, we have the 170 acres, but the farm it's a mile and a half or so from one end to the other. And getting the equipment back to the barn every night to clean was definitely an issue for us and prevented us from doing it as well as we should. So we came up with the idea of getting a water tote that we could take the water right to the field, purchased a gas-powered pressure washer so that we could operate it out there without electricity and have everything we needed to go right to the machines in the field at the end of the day, saving probably easily an hour of somebody's time, if not a couple people. And by saving time, making it easier and simpler, much more likely that the workers are going to do it. So this has been a godsend for us to be able to have this in place. So having the power washer in the field is such an advantage over just a hose even, because of the force of the water coming out of this thing. You can get different sizes, but it really blasts everything right off the surface and cleans it up really well. What we had been doing in the field was pressure washing, getting it all clean, and then doing the spritz with a Clorox, a bleach solution at the end. Our plan going forward will be to pressure wash, get everything off that we possibly can, and then spray on some of this Sanidate product, and hopefully we'll be even better. We have found that the pressure washing that we've been doing, we really think has been working very well, because we've been participating in a program with the University of Maine where they've been sending students down once a week to take swabs of everything from the harvesting equipment, the fruit, the processing and packing equipment. And from their studies, based on our process and our equipment compared to some other farms that have been doing it in different ways, ours have shown that the equipment has been very sanitary, and we've been very happy with the results.
The University of New Hampshire Cooperative Extension is an equal opportunity educator and employer. UNH, U.S. Department of Agriculture, and New Hampshire counties cooperating. Direct inquiries to unh.civilrights@unh.edu. The University of Maine system is an equal opportunity institution committed to non-discrimination.